Nelson Chamisa, a key figure in Zimbabwean politics, has made a bold move. Instead of calling for protests or direct confrontations, Chamisa is taking a different path. He's calling for the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, to step in and help resolve these electoral disputes peacefully. It's a call for diplomatic intervention in a situation that could easily escalate into more severe conflict. The big question now is, what does this mean for the future of Zimbabwe? Chamisa's move to step down and seek peaceful intervention could set a new precedent for how political disputes are handled in the region. It's a narrative of choosing diplomacy over disorder, and it might just be a game changer. One thing is clear, the political landscape in Zimbabwe is changing, and how this plays out could have implications not just for Zimbabwe, but for the entire Southern African region. So, what do you think? Can diplomatic interventions like the one Chamisa is proposing bring about real change, or is this just another loop in the endless cycle of political drama in Zimbabwe? And what do you think President Emmerson Mnangagwa thinks of this? Does he have his own grip on SADC, considering his latest interactions with SADC and him still attaining chairmanship of SADC? Will Mnangagwa step down like he says he will, or will he find a loophole to continue being president? Drop your thoughts in the comments section down below and let's get this discussion going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live, YTS. For more insights into Zimbabwean politics, thanks for tuning in. See you next time.